Here we go with Doc Bennett, Episode 1.
Napansin mo rin ba na parang ang daming hair na nalalagas lately? Don't worry, hindi ka nag-iisa. I'm Doc Bennett from Bennett Medical Aesthetics and today, pag-uusapan natin ang common causes ng hair loss or pagkalagas ng buhok. Number 1, stress. Alam mo ba na kapag sobrang stressed ka, pwedeng makaapekto yan sa hair growth cycle mo? Number 2, genetics. Kung may history sa pamilya mo ng nakakalbo or hair thinning, chances are pwede mo rin itong ma-experience. Number 3, hormonal changes. Pwede rin dahil sa hormones, lalo na after pregnancy, menopause, or kapag may mga hormonal imbalance tulad ng PCOS. Number 4, nutritional deficiency. Kulang ka ba sa iron, vitamins, minerals, or protein? Kasi kung kulang ka sa mga nutrients na to, maaaring ito ang reason sa hair loss mo. Number 5, harsh products and hairstyling. Mahilig ka ba sa hair ribbon, color, or masyadong mahigpit na ponytail? Baka naman nasa stress ang buhok mo, that can lead to traction alopecia. Buhok man o confidence, both deserve care. If you're starting to notice signs of hair thinning, it's okay. Maraming pwedeng gawin to support your hair health. Just remember, early action is better than regret.